Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So prep went well. About time we got done. They did a 12-foot deep, 6-foot wide trench here, and they added those washouts. So what happened here, I noticed that the soil was not drying. So I said, you know what, give it a day to dry. We'll be back. And then it still wouldn't dry. And we didn't find any sprinkler lines going through, the water mains over there. So I said, you know what, let's get the city involved and find out what's going on. And you know what, they actually found a leak under here. The sewer line had been leaking slowly for the past like 15 years, and all the soil was really wet. So it's all been replaced. We got, I think, 6 inches of road base in here. Got the washouts in now. This shouldn't go anywhere this time around. The customer is really grateful about us putting our foot down and getting this taken care of. But see you tomorrow at the pour. I don't necessarily know when you guys will see this video and when this will be done, because we have some videos we have to post. But see you then, guys. Bye-bye.
Yo agarro la de los cuernitos. Imagínense, agarran una todos los días diferentes, pues su pinche madre.
No puedo yo con la misma.
No, con la misma no. Pero con la misma no, una vez no le para una. Pero bájese a una y agarra.
Ahorita le vamos a hacer el face allá en la banqueta, Miguel. De la barda, le vamos a hacer el face y a donde están las patas de... Yellowstone.
Allá ando ahorita en Yellowstone.
Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. Pour went great. We poured at 7 in the morning. We backed the trucks right on up. Poured a 5 slump. Everything came out just perfect. Our joint spacing here is 9 feet and a few inches by 9 feet and a few inches. I mean, it's looking really, really, really good. Between these, obviously there's a chance there might be a crack, but what are you gonna do about that? Sidewalk went well. As you can tell in the video, there used to be a step there. We got rid of it, so it's nice and smooth all the way through. I mean, everything came out great. We hope the customer likes it. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe. Next week we are doing a back porch with the front patio. So stick around for that. Season's almost wrapped up. See you then, guys. Bye-bye.